folks, welcome to Autoportal. Today we are here at the Buddh International Circuit because we get to ride the next generation Karizma or the Hero Xtreme 200S. Yes, it is the fully fed version of the Hero Xtreme 200R. Well, I can't wait to get my hands on this bike. Let's check out what Hero Motocorp has in store for us with this fully fed version, the fully fed sibling of the Hero Xtreme 200R. The sporty and stylish sibling of the Hero Xtreme 200R, the Xtreme 200S is based on the HX250R concept showcased at the 2014 Delhi Motor Show. Hero Motocorp has launched the Xtreme 200S at a price of Rs 98,500 ex-showroom, and mechanically it borrows a number of equipment from its naked roadster sibling, the Hero Xtreme 200R. Talking about the design, this urban motorcycle oozes style with the fairing, a single-piece headlamp unit covered in black finish that gives it a premium appeal. The smoked windscreen makes it more aerodynamic. The muscular tank and side body fairings make the bike look super sporty. The tail section is sharp and identical to the Xtreme 200R. The rear tire is bigger, which commands a presence, and it also gets a bigger rear sprocket than the Xtreme 200R. The 200S is being rolled out in three shades: maple brown, panther black and sports red. Well, in terms of the engine and power figures, the Xtreme 200S houses a single-cylinder 199.6cc air-cooled motor, which also powers the Xtreme 200R, Xpulse 200 and Xpulse 200T. The engine, which is fitted in a diamond-type frame, can churn out 18.4 bhp of peak power at 8,000 rpm and 17.1 Nm of peak torque at 6,500 rpm. These numbers are ideally okay in terms of regular city commute, and for the transmission, the engine is paired to a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox. Speaking of features, the stylish Hero Xtreme 200S sports LED headlamp and tail light, wherein the headlamp also houses LED DRLs. It gets a single-channel ABS unit, user-friendly and informative digital dash with Bluetooth pairing, which displays call alerts on the screen, service reminders and gear position indicator as well. And it has a decent fuel tank capacity of 12.5 liters. Talking of other specifications, the suspension is handled by a 37mm telescopic front forks and a 7-step adjustable monoshock at the rear. The brake hardware is a 276mm single disc at the front and a 220mm single disc at the rear. The single-channel ABS unit would prove to be a boon for the Xtreme 200S in packed city traffic. It's fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels at both ends. The seat is a single-unit step piece, and at a height of 795mm, it makes life easier for shorter riders as well. This 149 kg motorcycle has a wheelbase of 1337 mm with 165 mm of ground clearance. Finally, speaking of the most important numbers, Hero Motocorp has priced the Xtreme 200S at an aggressive Rs 98,500 ex-showroom. It will replace the Karizma ZMR, which is facing a tough time in driving sales numbers. With this competitive pricing, the Xtreme 200S is ready to take on the 2017 Bajaj Pulsar RS 200, 2018 TVS Apache RTR 200 and 2019 Yamaha FZ. Wow, I still can't contain my excitement and the thrill of what I just experienced here on the track in Buddh International Circuit. Well, you've got to ride it to believe it. As I said, before riding this bike, Hero Motocorp has really done a lot, and it's a promising bike. You've got to ride it to believe it. Well, this is actually the Hero 200 Xtreme S, the fully fed version of the Xtreme 200R. For more latest news and updates from the motor world, keep watching and following Autoportal India.
Till then, take care, ride safe.